What's going on, guys? Alex here from Prolex, and today we're going to do something different. We're going to do a quick unboxing video of the Expert Kit from Palette. A little bit of a background story. Our social media manager and photographer Jordan found these guys on Instagram, showed me their feed, kind of explained to me about the company, and I thought it was super cool. So we reached out to Palette, chatted a little bit, and then they decided to send us 2 of these kits. So let's dive right in and see what's in the box. Okay, so first impression, we're just gonna work on one box for now. First impression, love the design of the box. It's a good weight, it feels quality, and I love the colors on the box because the cool thing about this palette, the kit, is that it's technically putting analog into modern tech, right? So these are analog dials and sliders that are used for editing with modern software like Photoshop or Premiere. And I feel like the design and the colors on the box really fit that because they have that retro feel, the kind of burgundy reddish with the yellow. On the back of the box, you can kind of see what's inside. So it has a button, a dial, or 3 dials, 2 buttons, sorry, 2 sliders, and then the core as well as the cable. It tells you a little bit more about them and how to use it and whatever. So let's open it up. Now, again, we don't have a Prolex Media X-Acto knife, so what we do have is actually a Prolex Media key. So we're just gonna do that right now. Actually, another cool thing about these guys, they're from Ontario, so local Canadian company, just like we are. So that was another cool part of it. Box feels really quality, like really high quality, and yeah, it definitely feels like a quality product, even just from the box. All right. Nice, so you got a little bit of styrofoam or foam padding so it doesn't go anywhere. And in here, you got a quick start guide, and I'll turn this your way. So these are the dials, these are the buttons, and then you got the sliders right here. Very cool. So let's see what we got else. So I'm assuming, oh, this is just, well, it looks like it's a little box. I'm gonna start with the least interesting thing out of the whole box. So it looks like this is the USB cable to connect it to your computer. It's USB to micro USB, it looks like. Oh, and you got 2 stickers. These are cool stickers. Those are cool. Wow, that's actually, I really like the retro colors that these guys used. It really fits with the retro feel of their product. So you're gonna put that aside. So then again, so you got the 1 slider. You got slider number 2, and then you got this they call the, what is it called? Oh, the core. This is the core. So it's a little screen. Oh, cool. That just magneted together. That is so cool. Oh my God. I don't even edit anymore, but I am definitely excited to try these out. So you got another button right here, and then you got 1 more button, and then you got 3 dials. And they got like really good weight to them. So, you know, like some devices or electronics you pick up and they feel cheap and plasticky. Yeah, these actually feel very nice. And they got like a soft, so they got a rubber kind of padding to them so they won't scratch your table. Yeah, and they look like they magnet all together. So let's try that. So, boom. Oh my God, this is so cool. And they just like snap together. That is so cool. Wow. Man, you guys made a cool product. Wow, this is cool. So, and you can actually configure, the best part is that you can configure them totally differently. So you can unmagnet them. That's definitely a word. Okay, let's see. So you can kind of go, so yeah, if you want to change so you can just like build a shape with it. Cool. Yeah, you can literally do anything you want. That is so cool. All right, so I got my laptop. The best part is that you can actually align them all around your computer, and you can use as many as you want at a time. If you don't need all of them, you can just put 2 right there and just kind of like while you're editing, you can literally play with them, and now you got like an extension of your computer. So yeah, definitely really cool design. I love it. You guys killed it with this. Yeah, and we're definitely gonna slap these somewhere. And so a quick thing about boom, close that there. Just 3 simple steps. Download the app, plug in the palette core to the computer using the USB cable, snap together palette modules with PINS facing the pads. So I'll just have to quickly Google what that means. Honestly, I can't wait to get our hands on it. We got 2, so Austin, our videographer, is gonna get 1 to play with. Jordan, our social media manager and photographer, is going to get the second one to play with. And actually, we've scheduled a call with Palette to get to know all about this product, how we can use it, all the tips and tricks. So yeah, we're really excited to use it. Thank you, Palette, and we'll see you all in the next video. Oh, and by the way, everyone says this, but I gotta say it. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe to see more of the latest content. See you next time.